Funday, and welcome back to another one. Sound like a news commentator. But yeah, today it's just the Beamer boys, and we got a couple of Chevs, Luminas, Bucky Lumina. We got a Mini Cooper S. Yeah, it's a full house today. This is the view currently. Taking a drive on the west coast, and I got the boys in the back and some boys in the front. And yeah, and the cars are just looking good today. Just gonna get something to drink, eat some brekkie, and then we're gonna take some pics. But how's that view, man? Check Table Mountain out. Woo! Wee! I want to ride my bicycle. Chat to you guys later.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up.